they go run away. When people take over,
when we take over,
when people take over street, when people take over street, all oppressors, they go run away. When people take over,
when we take over,
when
masses take over street,
when masses take over street,
all oppressors,
they go run away.
when masses take over, when we take
Who is a terrorist?
Buhari is a terrorist.
Who is a bandit?
Buhari is a bandit.
Who is a Boko Haram?
Buhari is a Boko Haram.
Who is a terrorist?
Buhari is a terrorist.
Who is a bandit?
Buhari is a bandit.
What are we here for? 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 God is bleeding. What are we here for? 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 Save Nigeria! Save Nigeria!
North is bleeding.
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 Greatest Nigeria people! Greatest Nigeria people! I know some people will be asking, why come to the Labour House? Before now, it is very known to most of us that when things like this occur in our great country, the Nigerian Labour will rise up to the occasion. But today, the case, that is not the case, because they have sold out. And we have come here to tell them that if they don't join us, we are taking over. If they don't join us, we are taking over. If they don't join us, we are taking over. If they don't join us, we are taking over. If they don't join us, we are taking over.
Another challenge, another challenge, another challenge, double challenge,
Another challenge, another challenge, another challenge, double challenge. Nigerian people, what are we here for?
God is bleeding.
What are we here for?
God is bleeding.
What are we here for?
God is bleeding.
Today we are here not because there's terrorism and banditry in the north, but mostly because we have an incompetent set of rulers in Nigeria. The person who is the president of Nigeria came on the false promise that he was a former general in the army who could protect the Nigerian people. Scam. Today he has scammed us and he has scammed the entire country. Latest Nigerian people. The reason this came here today is also because we have a lot of northern brothers who are at a conference here today. And we are here to let them know that their own part of the country is bleeding. Yes, so that people are dying. An average of 150 people are killed between Sokoto, Kebbi, and Zamfara and buried every night.
Exactly.
We are not here to fight the labor leaders who are here because they look very angry. We are here to remind them that they have a constituency of workers that are not safe in any part of Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
So it's not only the north that is bleeding, it's the entire Nigerian country that is bleeding. And the person that is bleeding Nigeria is Muhammadu Buhari. If anybody is dying in the north, don't let us neglect it. Because today might be in the north, tomorrow it might be wherever you might find yourself in Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
Kajiko, we are telling them because there is no northern blood, there's no southern blood.
Yes, sir.
There's no Hausa blood, there's no Yoruba blood. Every blood is red.
Yes. One nation.
Hunger does not recognize tribe or religion.
Yes, sir.
Boko Haram does not recognize tribe or religion.
Yes, sir.
Bandits don't recognize tribes or religion.
Exactly.
They kill whomever they want. But we don't want everybody to be dead before we act. That is why we are protesting against the most incompetent leader in Nigeria's history. I think Buhari is the most incompetent human being.
Yes, sir.
That's why we are here today. We are here to mourn those who have died, and we are here to make sure that nobody is killed beyond today.
Yes, sir.
In the north. And if Buhari cannot protect Nigeria anymore, we have said that Buhari must go. If Buhari cannot protect Nigeria, Buhari must go. Buhari is a big scam. Buhari has become a haram.
A monster.
Buhari has become a haram. That is why we are here. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming. We are with those who are in Kano, who are planning their own today. We are with those who are in Zamfara, who are planning their own today. We are with everybody who is bleeding and mourning today in Nigeria. Please don't be distracted. We are here, and this battle has just started. The battle has just started. If Buhari cannot do the job, we are told him to go back to Daura.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Simple.
And go and be with his grandchildren so that competent people can manage Nigeria.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
It is the reason why we call for a revolution.
No.
Revolution. No. Revolution.
No.
Revolution. Revolution. We want to do something before we go. Revolution. 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 We want to do something before we go. Revolution. 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 We want to do something before we go. Revolution. Revolution. We want to do something before we go. Revolution. Why are we here? The north is bleeding. 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 The north is bleeding. North is bleeding. Nigeria is bleeding. North is bleeding. North is bleeding. North is bleeding. North is bleeding. The north is bleeding. Buhari is bleeding the north. 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 Buhari is killing Nigeria. Buhari is killing Nigeria. Buhari is killing the north. Buhari is killing the north. Buhari is finishing Nigeria. Buhari is killing Nigeria. Why are we here? North is bleeding. 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 North is bleeding. Why
Wait.
No, Mona leave her. Not if they make call, you don't answer that, you talk about it. Who is a terrorist? Buhari is a terrorist. Why are we here?
Not is bleeding.
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 Why are we here?
Not is
Why are we here? Movement!
Buhari must go! You don't know the criminal!
Buhari is a Buhari!
Buhari must go! Buhari must go! Buhari must go!
Àwọn ọlọ́pàá ẹ̀fẹ́ mú ọmọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ lẹ́yìn. Moses Imokunle go.
Abẹ́ lọ sọ fún Eric pé kó kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ jáde.
Let's go, move forward! Let's go back to Buhari. I want Johnson.
Let's go punish her.
Guru Warika.
Come inside, come into your side. People you want to start, you don't tire. If you don't tire, you fuck you.
Where they go?
This is to do. The tire, take us up now. Get away.
Keep your phone inside.
Buhari is a terrorist. Buhari is a kidnapper.
Buhari is a killer. The one you are people they die. People they die every day.
Warrior come out there.
People they die.
Warrior come out there.
People they die.
Azambara mutana mutwa. Warrior come out there. Mutwa
Yaya.
Mutwa Yaya.
Two police they want to body. People they suffer they want to body. We they have their lives. They have to
Warrior come out there.
Two people now they be.
You want
Buhari must go. He must go.
the
suffer is too much. He must go. He must go.
Yes.
Swap body.